Right now we are quiet, 83 degrees. A nice day overall, however, a little bit hot and increasing the humidity. Today's high 91 degrees, live Doppler 7 max right now. We are mostly quiet. We've been tracking a few isolated showers, and you can see some of that moving through parts of Lake County this evening and continuing to weaken as across the state's line into parts of Wisconsin, Kenosha. About to get in on a little downpour just to the west there of Kenosha. So we're watching out for the possibility of an isolated shower, albeit brief, as we head into the next 1 to 2 hours, and then fairly quiet conditions overnight and heading out the door tomorrow. But we are watching this line of rain and storms, and you can see the severe warned storms back to the west right now. This is heading our way. So as we go into tomorrow afternoon, we're going to increase our rain chances. Out ahead of that, we are going to be hot and humid yet again, with temperatures climbing back up to near 90. And then shortly after noon, we'll be watching these storms getting closer, moving out of Iowa. And you can see between about 1 and 2 o'clock beginning to push in to northern Illinois. This is where we can anticipate some downpours, some gusty winds with any storms pushing through, and then looking a bit scattered as we head late afternoon and into the evening. We're not done yet. You can see 7 o'clock. Futurecast still highlighting the possibility of a few isolated storms a little bit later. So between about 2 and 9 p.m., scattered storms in our forecast, and the possibility of a storm or two reaching severe limits can't be ruled out. And then the real story behind this front. Temperatures will really start to drop and we get cooler. It looks like rain will be held off to the south of us on our Thursday. And look at these temperatures in the afternoon. Welcoming 60s and 70s across the board, which continues into our Friday. So we're getting a little bit of a cool down. Before the day tomorrow, anyone in yellow here, including Cook County back to the west south of I-80, under a level 2 out of 5 for the threat of severe storms. Northwest Indiana off to the south and east under a level 1. The main threats for tomorrow will be some strong winds as well as small hail and the possibility of some isolated flooding, but these storms will be moving quickly. The tornado threat is low. It's not zero, so something we will have to monitor. And in addition, we still do have the air quality in alert overnight and right through the day tomorrow. And you can see current air quality, we're doing okay. We were a little bit unhealthy earlier today, but things have improved with some wildfire smoke lingering in the upper levels of the atmosphere. Right now we have those temperatures in the 70s and 80s. It stays mild and muggy overnight with lows near 70. A stray shower still in the forecast. Into the day tomorrow, AccuWeather alert for the threat of a strong storm or two, high of 91. Cooling off Thursday and Friday. Friday, 79, pleasant, beautiful.